Now I perform exhaust leak, truck start, fan speed 3, set to heat, up to face, window roll up. No exhaust leak from the exhaust assembly, no exhaust leak from the manifold, no exhaust leak from the flex pipe. Muffler properly mounted with tractor body, no crack, no damage, no hair, no hole, no exhaust leak from the muffler. No exhaust leak in the cab. It means my exhaust system working properly. Refer to schedule 1.